Hey y'all, as you can see, the sun's going down behind me. We're running out of daylight, so let's ham it up. Okay, so they're dripping. Anyway, ham steaks are so quick and easy on the griddle. Oh look, there's a recipe for double pork hash and heating directions. We don't need no stinking directions. This is just Smithfield ham steak. It doesn't take any time at all, and something. It doesn't need season because it's ham. So we're gonna keep it flipping. It's on low heat, and I may turn it up just a little, but it's only gonna take a few minutes, and we'll bring it back shortly. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. Look at the char. It's getting the sear. It's only been a few minutes. So if you're in a hurry but you want a griddle, this is perfect. We can't have smash burgers every day. These make great ham sandwiches too. And ham with a side of ham, and spam, eggs and spam. Actually, this would be awesome for breakfast with eggs and some hash browns. But you get the idea, right? Takes no time. Yum. It may already be done. I don't know what temperature it's supposed to be, but it's pre-cooked. I know I hate the word pre, or the prefix pre being overused, but it's pre-cooked. I hear people driving around in our neck of the woods. Normally that's unusual this time of night. Oh, it's a tractor. Guess the neighbor's doing some work. It's a big tractor too. One of them big yeller things with a bucket and a backhoe. Maybe hauling rocks up on his property. He likes rocks. I like the rock. Yeah, rock! We all like to rock. Baby likes to rockets. I can't remember who sang that. Some dude. We're done. Like I said, like a couple minutes and we have supper. Throw some veggies on the plate and we're good to go. Ham steaks. It's not just for breakfast anymore. So, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for your helpful comments. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!